Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can force restart TOZO T20 earbuds. So I'm gonna take them out first, and now in order to force restart, we need to press and hold on any of the earbuds, either left or right one. We need to press and hold on the touch panel, and we need to hold it for approximately 8 seconds. We will see that the white light will quickly flash 3 times. There we go. And now both earbuds should be off. And now in order to turn it on, we need to press and hold for 3 seconds. So press and hold. Let's give it one more try. There we go. So now one earbud is on, and if they have not been paired, then most likely you will need to do the same thing with the other earbud as well. So you might need to press and hold for 3 seconds to turn it back on. However, if you have them paired already, then most likely you will need to turn on only on one earbud. And of course you can still check out if both of them are working after you turn one back on. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.